Are you looking for the best chainsaw sharpener in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best chainsaw sharpener that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Oregon Professional Universal Chainsaw Sharpener. For a versatile and reliable chainsaw sharpener, consider the Oregon Professional Universal Chainsaw Sharpener. This machine works well for chain sharpening at high volumes and can be mounted on the wall or bench. It sharpens up to a 404-pitch chain and has several adjustment points for improved accuracy. It even has a built-in light for increased visibility. It comes with multiple grinding wheel options and a profile disc to maintain depth gauge. I have used this sharpener to sharpen 17 of my own personal chains, wrote one customer. I can tell you I have never had a chain resharpened and cut as well as my chains do, now that I am sharpening them myself with this machine. The machine is super quiet and easy to use. It's well built and should last the rest of my life. Up next in the 4th place is the Tuff Upright Bench Mount Chainsaw Chain Sharpener. The Tuff Upright Mount Chainsaw Chain Sharpener is an ideal choice for anyone with an ample workbench. It securely mounts to most surfaces for a safe and sturdy workspace. This sharpener includes 3 grinding wheels of varying sizes, thermal overload protection, and a see-through safety shield. It also has a light for better visibility while working, and clear adjustment guides for consistently accurate sharpening. I use my saws to clear out the dead wood around a 12-acre New England piece of land, one reviewer explained. This sharpener can sharpen just about any type of chain and easily rotates from one side of the chain to the other, so that both sides are equal. The wheels included are of good quality and the motor is smooth. This sharpener is a real decent deal for the price. The 3rd product on our list is the EzzDoo 3-in-1 Chainsaw Sharpener Kit. With the EzzDoo 3-in-1 Chainsaw Sharpener Kit, there's no need to remove the chains to sharpen them. The kit comes with 4 different size titanium-plated grinding wheels and an angle attachment for increased accuracy. The handle's rubber grip provides shock absorption for both better handling and comfort. It has 6 speeds to offer better control over the sharpening process and a safety switch for protection. The EzzDoo is incredibly easy to use, wrote one customer, and with the angle guide, you get the perfect cut on every blade. It takes me less than 3 minutes to sharpen a typical chain, and then for the real test, using the chain, it cuts smoothly and lasts a long time, a testament to the correct angle of the cut. You can do it yourself without sacrificing quality and safety. Second on our list is the Oregon Sure Sharp Handheld Chainsaw Chain Sharpener Grinder. For a chainsaw sharpener that you can keep in your vehicle and pull it out when needed, the Oregon Sure Sharp Handheld Chainsaw Chain Sharpener Grinder does the trick. It comes with different sized grinding stones and an angle adjustment guide with 3 markings to provide the proper angle. There's also a collet wrench to secure the grinders and an outlet power adapter with alligator battery clips to power your grinder from a vehicle battery. I've hand-filed, bought the gadgets, and taken the chain to a professional, one customer began. This tool is where it's at. I just popped the hood on my truck, connected to the positive and frame as shown in the picture, and I was off. I had a sharp edge in minutes and was back to cutting. This is probably faster than changing the chain and no vise is needed. Finally, the top product on our list is the Oregon Chainsaw Chain Sharpening Kit. For those who need a kit to carry with them on the job, the Oregon Chainsaw Chain Sharpening Kit with hard case is a perfect choice. It has all the components needed to sharpen a chainsaw chain on the spot, including round files, a flat file, and depth gauge. It also has a file guide to maintain the correct depth, a stump vise for on-the-spot mounting, and a chain measuring tool. So far I've used the 532 and 316 round files, and both cut great, wrote one reviewer. Flat file and depth gauge, make sure you are cutting properly. Great value for the money. The stump vise alone is almost half the cost of everything in this box. Makes it easy to just throw one box in the truck with the saws and know I'll have what I need during the day. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.